gonna make it. You don't think so?
Nope,
Sure,
I
watch
don't.
out. That's not where he's going. You go stand next to me, buddy.
There's too happy.
Be careful.
Come on. Go to the left. But right a little bit. Right there, straight on. You're going to have to hold your steering because it's going to try to cock to the left. But you need to come straight on. Yeah.
Yeah, rotate back that way, man.
There you go.
Now you're like hitting a brick wall right there. What? You're like hitting a brick wall with your right front tire. If you come out a little more like this, you'll be
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah. Oh boy, get these boys playing.
Show those rocks who's up.
What?
Show the rocks who's up. What's up? There you go. Hey, watch out, Buck. Get back. Now I'm talking.
You're there.
Get her. Oh. Might back up and get a little. Not in the front.
No, you're good.
Tires right on it.
What are you hitting?
Big old rock.
Come forward. Whoa.
Yeah, that's Kodak.
Okay.
What's going on?
Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. You're up against that other wall over there.
I know, but like
You're good. You're good right there.
not too far back. Okay, give her hell.
Go. That's cool.
That's awesome.
That's like the best.
Your front tire only came off the ground like that.
I know it feels like 10 feet, don't it?
Hey, if I made it down that hill, you can make it up this one, buddy. You're good.
Come on, Daddy. Hey, tell me.
What's up? Four-wheel drive Nate.
Oh, all day.
That's the wonders of a rear locker right there, buddy.
See that?
Yeah, I
I
did.
think you might want to point your wheels that way, son. Just go straight.
You're
Yeah. Ain't going.
now.
Too steep, but damn, that is cool looking.
That's
That's the
big
calendar for
nugget.
next year, Paul.
Those are nuggets.
That's our Christmas picture.
Whoa.
You going down?
Yeah, be careful.
Those are nuggets.
You going down?
Look, they're nuggets.
What happened if I try to go this way? Straight back.
Dad, look.
Well,
Get back. I want you to get back.
you'll get away from that wall over there, but you're going to have to turn all the way to the left.
That's like a
Whoa.
drop.
You're going to start dropping right there. You keep going back.
Right now. Right there. Nice and slow. Just breathe it. Breathe.
Brakes.
Breathe. There you go. You're right. You're right.
You're good.
Creep it on back.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, dude, hold on. Keep on coming back. Come on. Whoa. Come on back.
What would happen if I take it easy? What would happen if I turned right now and tried to go up? Try to go up?
Okay, go.
Hold on, mate. Get back, buddy. Get back. There you go.
There you go. You're gonna have to gun it. Nope. Gonna have to come back more. That your driver's side, your passenger tires going in a crack.
That's what I need to do. Come up.
You want to
straight
get on
down.
the rocks, you need to be this way.
Huh?
You want to be on the rocks, not in the big crack there, you come this way.
And then your back tire.
Yeah, back up.
Now which way do I need to turn my wheels?
Well, it don't matter because your passenger tire's off in a crack.